Hello, class 7. We're going to go over solving equations. So I'm going to go back a few steps in where some of you may be up to. So I'm going to go, using your textbook, I'm going to go back to page 532. So this is from page 532, and it is exercise 10D. Exercise 10D. Now the questions I'm going to look at first is question 5, and these are what we call one-step equations. So let's have a look at A, 5A, 6m equals 54. Now these ones you can usually do by just looking at it and working it out. But let's have a think about what the actual process is so that you can do it when it gets more complicated. So if we have a look here, off to the side here, I want you to have a think about what happened to the equation. What happened to the m and how do we undo it? That's what those little arrows stand for. So they're not compulsory, but we can have a think about it. So if we have a look at this m here, what happened to the m? Well, what's between the 6 and the m here? There's a times. So what happened to it is it got times by 6. Okay? So to undo it, only one thing happened to it. So to undo it, we have to do the opposite to timesing by 6, which is dividing by 6. And the way we do divide is just a horizontal line, divide by 6, divide by 6. So m is equal to 54 divided by 6 is 9, because 6 9s are 54. Okay, so this is a one-step equation. So let's have a look at question B, another one-step equation. It says g minus 9 is equal to 2. So again, let's have a think about what happened to this equation. Okay, that's what we're going to do that way and how we're going to undo it that way. So what happened to it? Let's have a look at this g. It had 9 taken away from it. So it had take away 9. Okay, so if we're going to undo that take away a 9, we're going to add 9. This is what we need to do to both sides of the equation. Add 9, add 9. And so minus 9 plus 9 goes, we're left with g is equal to 2 plus 9 is 11. That's it. So that's enough of exercise 10D. These are the one steps. And you can look at them and work them out because you go, what do I have to take away from, what do I start with? Take away 9 and leaves me 2. The answer is 11. I need to begin with 11. So let's have a look at what happens when they get more complicated.